Hello, and welcome to another install video with Boomba Racing. Today, we'll be installing the Stage 2 catch can for the Kona N. Begin by removing the engine cover. Next, we'll secure the provided mounting bracket to the catch can. Remove the two front bolts behind the passenger headlight. Mount the catch can using factory bolts. Install hose adapters on vacuum lines. Cut the factory vent line. You will need to peel back a bit of the protective material around the hose. Rotate factory vent line 180 degrees. Fit hoses to catch can. The intake hose is longer. Connect the hose from the valve cover to the in port, and the hose from the intake manifold to the out port. Secure vacuum hoses to factory vent lines with provided clamps. Use provided zip tie to dress up vent hoses. Replace engine cover. And you're done. Thanks for joining us today for the Kona N Stage 2 catch can install.